The machine is a JLG 1500 SJ. Your machine may be fitted with Machine Safety System Override. This is only to be used to retrieve an operator that is either pinned, trapped, or unable to operate the machine and function controls are locked out. This could be due from the platform being overloaded or other situations. If the MSSO functionality is used, the fault indicator will flash and a fault code is set in the JLG control system, which must be reset by a qualified service technician. The JLG control system will set a diagnostic trouble code if the control switch is faulty. To operate the MSSO, from the ground control console, place the platform ground control select switch into the ground control position. Pull out the red emergency stop. Start the engine. Press and hold the MSO switch and the control switch for the desired function.